babes, what's up? It's your girl Jamie here, and in today's video I am showing you how I got my hair like this. So I did my own at-home silk press, although I didn't use silkening products, so I can't really say it's a silk press. So silk press, please don't come for me, okay? But I did do this to my hair, whatever you want to call it, and I actually cut it. I cut 4.5, almost 5 inches off of my hair. So yeah, we are leaning into the straight natural aesthetic, and I think I'm just going to roll with it. So if you guys want to know how I got my hair like this, then let's get into the video. Okay, babe, so here is my curly hair in its natural state. Since switching to fragrance-free products, I do think my hair looks a lot healthier and a lot better. And so many of those split ends that were looking awful had actually fixed up and we're starting to curl again. But I just felt like it was time to cut my hair. Like I was in a mood. It's a moment, it's a vibe, you know what I'm talking about? So I was ready to just cut my hair. So I'm starting with aloe vera juice. It's super moisturizing and a lightweight moisturizer. So if you are a curly girl who likes to straighten her hair, aloe vera juice is a great lightweight leave-in that isn't gonna weigh your hair down. Then I'm going in with the No Nothing moisturizing leave-in. And last, I go in with the color Wow Dream Coat. And then I just brush that through all of my hair with my Tangle Teaser. I have switched from using my Tangle Teaser on soaking my hair in the shower to only using it to detangle when I'm putting in products, and it has made a world of difference because today we are busting out the legendary, the iconic, the very expensive, the annoyingly expensive, beautiful machine that is the Revair. So since putting this into my hair care regimen, y'all, my hair, nothing was the same, baby, nothing. My hair is fantastic. I love this thing so much. So we're gonna go straight in with that guy. And I like to do a suction level 7 at a heat of low for 1 minute. So full 60 seconds. And then I will turn it up to high heat for the last minute and my hair is dry. So that's about 2 minutes a section, and I do 4 sections on each side of my head. So do your math. That's a 16-minute blow dry and your hair is bone straight. Like my hair is pretty darn straight. Okay, I can't say bone straight, but it's like way straighter than any other blow dryer I've ever used, and no heat damage. No, this is not sponsored. No, it was not sent to me. I spent every coin on this baby and it was worth it, and y'all wanted to see a video on it, so that's why I'm showing it to you. If you want a full review and the whole 9 yards, the whole gambit, how I use it throughout my regular wash day routine when I'm not going to be silk pressing, give this video a thumbs up and I will show you how I just like stretch my hair and keep it that way for a week with the Revair. Okay, babe, so here is the finished blow dry with the Revair, and you can see, like, I don't know if it's reading as bad as it is over here on camera. Let me show you my length. Not mad at it, you know, but my ends are a hot mess. I, like, need y'all to see. Everyone's like stiff where? I'm like stiff right here. You know what I'm saying? Like they are disgusting looking. And it's just time for a haircut. So we're going to flat iron my hair after I put away some products, give my camera a little break. We're gonna flat iron my hair and then we are going to cut it. And I'm talking like a blunt cut. I don't know if it's gonna stay in this video or be in the next video, but let's get into the flat iron. I'm using my Croc, the Nano Black Titanium Classic. I've had this for actual years. It's probably the best flat iron I ever purchased. I usually use this on 410, but I'm going to bring it down to like 390. Yeah, I think I'm going to bring it down to 390 because I don't think I need it that hot on my hair anymore with how well the Revair has straightened out my hair. So, I was going to do a preliminary trim before I flat iron. Not going to do that so you guys can get a realistic idea of how long my hair is before I cut it. And I'm taking a little bit of this Sienna Naturals Lock and Seal Anti-Breakage Styling Oil. Literally just one tiny pump for this whole half of my head. And it's only going on the ends. And then I will bring whatever's left to smooth the rest of my hair. I have a whole new hair care journey going on, so I'll explain to you guys in a separate video, but I can't use anything with fragrance, and I don't have any products that are actually like silkening that don't have fragrance. Like you could use the Cheese Silk Infusion, BioSilk, all of those products have perfume in them. They have a fragrance in them, and I am allergic to them, and it made my hair fall out. So yeah, that's why you see this thinner section on this side. It all fell out. I had scabs. You guys got the story time, so yeah. Can't use those, so I'm just using this oil because it's fragrance free and it works amazingly for me. And then we're just gonna section her up. I love this flat iron because it heats up like mega quick. And then I'm just gonna go section by section. I do follow the chase method, so I recommend grabbing like a carbon comb. These combs, I'll link it down below. I believe it's a Cricut comb or, oh, it's an ion comb, so that means I got this at Sally's. So I'll link it down below for you. It's got this little part at the top where you can section your hair, and then you can obviously comb through it for the chase method, and that's what works for me. Carbon combs are not going to heat up and melt in your hair like a plastic would, so keep that in mind, okay? And with that, y'all, let's just fast forward through this straightening. I'm gonna watch YouTube, so I don't know, tell me who you're watching on YouTube. Okay, babes, so now it's time to flat iron. I put on my YouTube video and we about to kick it. Comment down below who you love to watch on YouTube because I'm always looking for more people. I watch so many. All I watch is YouTube, honey. Like, I love YouTube so much. So if you got somebody you love to watch, let me know. As for this flat iron, it will be linked down below. It's literally amazing, and the combo with the Revair is just unmatched. I have the Revlon. I know how to blow dry my hair with a round brush and everything. I have my cosmetology license, y'all. Like, I done been through the gambit, and I will tell you the Revair with this flat iron is it, period. I was able to drop the temperature on my flat iron and get away with 1 to 2 passes. This is the least amount of heat I've used on my hair, and it's more straight than it ever gets normally. So it's a win-win in my book. I love this combo. It is the dream freaking team. Alright guys, here is my current length from the front. Here it is from the back. It's go time. It's go time, it's go time. Time to cut this hair. Because I can do like a 10-minute makeup, but I want to take my time on this haircut. So, here she is. Here's my hair. Please do not use like kitchen scissors to cut your hair. That's all I'm gonna ask of people. Like, don't do that. I got my shears from Cosmoprof, a store for licensed cosmetologists. You guys, I'm sure you can go to Sally's and get some pretty good cutting shears. So wherever you go, do not use your kitchen scissors. Another little tip is to add a little bit more of some kind of smoothing treatment to the ends. I know with silk presses, nobody wants to wear the hair down and all this, but to be honest, I'm not really doing this to just wear a silk press. If you were just wearing a silk press, you would have already stopped and you wouldn't be doing the haircut. But I'm doing the haircut. This isn't exactly a tutorial, but I am gonna tell you what I'm doing. So because my hair isn't like uber duper thick, I guess, I'm just gonna split it right in half. Adding that extra little drop of oil on the ends keeps them smooth and will make it easy for your hair to glide through the scissors and be cut. So, we're just gonna cut it. Yeah, we're just gonna cut it. Oop, no going back. It's cut. Wow, that's cute though. Okay. Wow. Okay, girls, so we just snip it away, and yeah, I just went for it. I loved it. It's so fun to just cut your hair, and it's so freeing. And what you'll see me doing is going back and forth between each sections, looking in multiple mirrors, and feeling the length of my hair. So when you're trying to make sure that your haircut is even, this is one of the biggest pieces of advice. Touch your hair. Run your fingers over those ends multiple times. If you've ever been to a salon, then you know that they run their fingers over your hair so many times. They're checking the length. They're holding it and making sure it feels the same length in both hands. And that's why you kind of look away, look in different mirrors so that you're not biased by the hands that you're seeing in the mirror. You do it based off of feel. That will really up your at-home haircut game, make it look more professional, and make it easier for you to get an even cut at home. Not saying this haircut is perfect by any means. If I end up being in love with this length, I will probably go to a stylist with my hair already flat ironed and have them dry cut me to a very even length. But for now, I'm like loving it. And it's such a quick and fun haircut to do on yourself at home. Hey guys, so this clip is actually from the next day when I was fixing up my haircut because I noticed the right side was a bit longer than the left, so I just went back through and cut it. I noticed I had some like little chunky corners, just things that happens when you cut your hair at home and you're kind of in a rush, because I was in a rush when I was cutting my hair, which never be in a rush when you cut your hair, but you know, do as I say, not as I do, y'all. So I was just evening it up, and I also wanted to make it like a teensy bit shorter, so you can see me going a little bit shorter and, you know, just working with it. I don't know. I'm actually obsessed with this cut. I feel like I could have gone shorter, but I love this length, and I'm going to keep it here for a while. I think, sorry boyfriend, but I'm keeping it this length, I think, because I'm obsessed with it. And everyone in my personal life who has seen it is like in love with it as well. So yeah, I just think it gives my style such a va-va-voom, if you will.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
All right, babes, so that is the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys try this at home, literally send me pics on Instagram, like DM me, tag me, whatever you want to do. I want to see it because I love this haircut. It feels so freeing to be like a woman not caring about your hair and its length for once, especially a black woman. I feel like there's so much emphasis on having like the longest hair, the thickest hair, you know, what weave, what this, what that, and it just feels so freeing to be like, nah, like I don't care. I chopped off like almost 5 inches of my hair and I don't care one bit, and my hair looks amazing. It's healthy, it's fun, it's such a fresh, cute cut. I don't know, I'm just obsessed. I wish I had done it sooner instead of chickening out multiple times because I'm so happy with it. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I see you guys in the next one. I'm here every Tuesday and Friday for you. So if that sounds like your kind of thing, then click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.